Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is fela.E.student.sasingunand with student ID 2310732035, and I'm from Statistic for Linguistic and Literary Studies class. So today I want to present my chosen article for midterm exam of statistic class, and I want to explore about the methodology that used in my chosen article with the title the comparison of character, setting, and characterization analysis between novel and film of paper towns, study of comparative literature. Before we start talk about the methodology, I want to explain about the paper town itself. Paper Town is a novel by John Green, published in 2008, and falls into young adult, mystery, and coming of age genres. This novel, read based on the author's personal experiences as teenagers, and he uses a concept of paper town as a metaphor to show that a person can appear in real, but they are merely a product of our own imagination or perception. And in 2015, this novel was adapted into a film, further increasing its popularity and gaining wider recognitions. So this presentation and also this reports aims to summarize the analytical method used in the journal, the comparison of character setting and characterization analysis between the novel and film paper towns, and also this research examines the comparative literature approach to comparing the novel and film paper towns. The main focus of this report is to demonstrate the data analysis procedures used by researchers as a statistical researcher in literary research. Okay, I want to explain about the research objective. Research used in this journal employs qualitative descriptive that have a function to analyze a comparison of intrinsic elements and also to understand the adaptation process when the novel is adapted into a film. Okay, we can move to the methodology. Methodology is consists of several parts. The first one is data collections. Data collections is consists of primary data and secondary data. Primary data is the original novels, Paper Town by John Green, released in 2008, and film adaptation. Film adaptation is released in 2015. You can watch it in the Netflix. Next, secondary data. Secondary data like the literary theory, the book with the title Comparative Literature, a Critical Introduction, and after literary theory, this article also used literary terms, the book with the title Prose, Literary Terms and Concepts. Next, data collection techniques. How the researchers collect the data in these articles. The first one, reading and watching. Before we can have a complete data, we should read a novel and watch the film dubbed and repeatedly. Next, scene documentations. We can taking a screenshot of scenes and recording the minutes of each scene. Next, text identifications, like we can take a note, page number or specific section of text in the novel that we will be compared with the film versions. Next, data analysis. The first one, analysis method. This article uses a qualitative descriptive, like I said before, and character and characterization analysis. This article analyzes 23 characters appearing in the novel and film Paper Town. This analysis involves identifying which characters were retained or omitted when the novel was adapted into a film. Next, setting analysis. This comparing the novel and film Paper Town based on the place, time, and the atmosphere. Next, comparative techniques. These articles compare scenes in the novel and film, identifying similarities and differences between these elements between the novel and the original story and the film as the different medium. After we collect the data, we have a result from character analysis. After analyze 23 characters, many supporting characters in the novels were disappear in film because they did not impact the main plot. And in setting analysis consists of the time, place, and atmosphere. The description of the setting in the novel much more detailed and complex than the visualization in the film. The third one, characterization analysis. The characterization in the novel is very much complex rather than films. Although the media change, the essence of the characterization tends to remain the same. However, several different actions in the film affect the character dynamics. So, what the relevance this research to our statistical studies? The statistical relevance of this article lies not in numerical processing, as it uses qualitative descriptive method as primary method. This research used statistical literature to validate the data description procedure and applied systematic comparative logic to analyze 23 characters variable across the two media works. It organized the data systematically for objective analysis. So, this research indicates a process adaptations from the novel into a film, reduction or removal some part. Then this difference is normal in comparative literature to adapt the story to a different medium. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.